How to add debit or credit card on Grubhub app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the Grubhub app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From this list, you want to tap on the payment option. Now, if you have saved any payment options, it's going to show up here. If you have not and want to add credit or debit card, then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the drop down menu and you can choose your payment method. I'm going to tap on credit card. Now here you want to enter your credit card number. You can also tap on the scan button to scan the number. Now enter the expiration month, then enter the expiration year of the credit card. After that, you want to enter the security code. Then enter the billing postal code. Now tap on save and proceed, and after the confirmation you will be able to add the debit or credit card on Grubhub app. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.